Can you do this? As early as your 40s, you may lose muscle and strength. Protein supports muscle health. Ensure Max Protein has 30 grams of high-quality protein to feed your muscles up to 7 hours. So take the challenge. Ensure.
With social media increasing surveillance of police actions, members of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces, JCF, are being urged to continue serving their country with dedication. Head of the Area 3 Police, Assistant Commissioner Christopher Phillips, was addressing the St. Elizabeth Police Conference in Junction Wednesday.
A domestic dispute in Newmarket can go live on TikTok before our patrol car turns the corner. And even some of the laws that we enforce today isn't the same law of 10 years ago. So, resilient policing in a changing world. The world shifts, so we must shift. But resilience in policing doesn't mean we become hard, it means we become adaptable without losing our anchor.
The JCF was established in 1867 to prevent a repeat of the social unrest caused as a result of the Paul Bogle-led justice fight that turned into the 1865 Morant Bay Rebellion in St. Thomas. But Chief Justice Brian Sykes maintains that the police force has long transformed from its original mandate, and so should its name. He noted that the proposal to rename and rebrand the JCF as a police service instead of a police force has been sitting on the law books for over 20 years. He said it's time for the name change to become reality, pointing to social transformations in communities and within the lives of police themselves.
So it has provided the opportunity for many police officers to elevate themselves and their families. So you now have professionals, doctors, lawyers, bankers, teachers, who are the sons and daughters of police officers.
Commending their commitment to national service. That's the message from Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie as he praised new firefighters joining the Jamaica Fire Brigade. He was speaking at the 2026 graduation ceremony where he said young people entering the brigade play a critical role in protecting lives and property across the island.
Some of them could have gone to turn DJ, you know. Some of them could have turned bad man. Some of them could have chosen to do something else that is more flashy. But they chose the responsibility of saving lives and protecting property. And we, in return, must respect and appreciate the commitments that they have made at this young stage of their lives. So today, I want you to join me in celebrating this occasion. You're not just here to cheer them on. I know you're all feeling proud.
Mr. McKenzie also noted that the government will continue to recognize outstanding recruits through monetary awards as part of efforts to encourage more youngsters to pursue careers in public service.
Last year we presented some financial awards to the outstanding recruits. This year we will do the same. But as you know, inflation has gone up and the cost of things have gone up. So this year, the ministers award to the outstanding recruit and the runner-up will move up to 200,000 and 150,000 for the runner-up.
It is time for a break, but do stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It is now time for the Business Minute. West Indies Petroleum Terminal is reporting improved first quarter results driven by increased third-party storage and fuel throughput activity. For the first quarter ending March 31, 2026, net profit after tax improved by 52% to $1 million, which the company attributed to higher throughput volumes and rate increases. The company recorded total revenue of $2.5 million. That represents a 21% increase compared with the corresponding quarter last year. Further afield, U.S. President Donald Trump left Beijing after a two-day summit, saying he had struck, quote, fantastic trade deals, great for both countries, end quote. But few details have emerged on what the two superpowers agreed. Trump arrived for a high-stakes summit with Chinese leader Xi Jinping on Wednesday, accompanied by several CEOs, a high-profile business delegation spanning agriculture, aviation, electronic vehicles, and artificial intelligence chips. Trade was near the top of the agenda despite recent tensions over the Iran war, and businesses hoped for key deals as well as an extension on the tariff truce that is due to expire in November. And that's it for the Business Minute. Time now for the top stories from around the world.
In the region, Guyana's President Irfan Ali has held high-level talks with Dominican Republic President Luis Abinida aimed at deepening cooperation in energy, agriculture, and petrochemicals. The discussions focused on possible Dominican investments in Guyana's oil and gas sector, including refinery development, petrochemical projects, and regional energy security. President Ali described the meeting as a historic step toward building a more secure energy future for the Caribbean. The two countries also explored opportunities linked to Guyana's gas-to-energy project and expanding private sector partnerships between both nations. And on the international scene, Africa's top health agency has declared an Ebola outbreak in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. More than 240 cases and 65 deaths have been reported in gold mining communities in Ituri province. Health officials are now working with neighboring countries to boost response efforts and cross-border surveillance. Ebola, which causes severe bleeding and organ failure, has a fatality rate of about 50%. And those were the top regional and international stories. I'm Aaliyah Bryant.
Thank you, Alia. We now head to our final break. When we come back, we'll have your midday sports report.
Can you do this? As early as your 40s, you may lose muscle and strength. Protein supports muscle health. Ensure Max Protein has 30 grams of high-quality protein to feed your muscles up to 7 hours. So take the challenge. Ensure.